Ofala. His Royal Highness Igwe Professor Laz Nanyelugo Edward Ekwueme, Ijikala to the Igwe in Council and Oko People's Union OPU specially invite you to 2025 Ofala Festival and celebrations. Date January 10, 2025, time 11 a.m. Venue Alex Ekwueme Civic Center, Oko. Festival highlights include conferment of chieftaincy titles and special awards to meritorious Nigerians and Oko sons and daughters, cultural carnival and displays. Special guest of honor, His Excellency Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, CFR, Executive Governor of Anambra State. Announcer Chief Obi Okafor KSC, Obichido Zoko, Chairman, Ofala 2025 Festival Organizing Committee.